Hey, what's up you guys, it's jdeeuh. I go back to school August 5th, which is very soon. That is in, let's see, 2 weeks. That's actually not that soon. But I go back to school in 2 weeks and I'm looking a little not hot. I'm going to be a senior, so I really want to look the greatest for my senior year. And I look like this. So we need to do something about that. So within the next 2 weeks before school starts, I'm going to be transforming myself. I have a couple of steps of things that I have to do to transform myself. Step 1, get my hair dyed and get it cut. Step 2, get my nails done. I kind of want like a simple pink color or white color or something. I don't really know. I want to get my nails done though. Step number 3, I need to buy a couple of things. I need to go back to school shopping for supplies and clothes. I need the vsco drying lotion. I need a heat protectant and I need a mascara. Step number 4, I'm going to practice my hair and my makeup. I'm not good at either of those, so I'm gonna try to do new hairstyles and I'm going to try to do my makeup so I know what to do the first day of school so I don't look like a clown. And step number 5, I don't really know if we're gonna do this, but I want to get my ear pierced. I either want my doubles or I want my cartilage pierced. So if you guys want to see like the end result, you're gonna have to watch my get ready with me for the first day of school video. That's gonna be going up after this video, I think. I don't know, probably, I don't know. So I'm getting my hair dyed tomorrow, which is why I'm filming this video now, even though this whole thing is gonna like go within like 2 weeks of me getting ready, because I'm not gonna do my nails now for back to school because then by the time school starts they'll be grown out. But I am getting my hair dyed, so I wanted to film like the before part before it looks different. So today is Monday, July 22nd. This is gonna be my before, my whole transformation. And then the first day of school, August 5th, is gonna be the after of my whole transformation. Ow! I'm just gonna show you guys what my hair looks like now so you can see the before I get it dyed. It actually doesn't look too bad on camera, not gonna lie. This is what my hair looks like. It's very dead. You can't really tell on camera, but it's super dead, super frizzy, super thick. I got my hair dyed freshman year and I just let it like grow out. But yeah, my hair is just not cute. It has like a little bit of color from when I dyed it a long time ago, but my hair grows super fast, so like all of it is basically out right now. I don't know if you can see. Nope, you can't. I'm also getting my hair cut, so I'm gonna get it thinned because I cannot deal with how thick my hair is. This is going to be my last first day of school ever, so I really want to go out with a bang. I want to look good on the first day of school, and in order to do that, we're gonna have to fix this. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow with step 1 of my transformation. I'll try to film myself getting my hair done. I'm a little nervous because I'm doing something a little bit crazy. So, we just made it to the mint salon. That's where I'm getting my hair done. And I did my book distribution today, and now I'm getting my hair dyed. A little nervous, but I think it's gonna turn out good. So I just got my hair done. I'm absolutely in love with it. It looks so perfect. It looks so good. She also thinned it, so it's super light right now. Luckily, because I had a lot of hair. I'm like in love with it. First off, lighting is horrible, sound is horrible, I look horrible. It's horrible. But today I was supposed to go to the mall, find a new outfit for the first day of school, get my nails done, go to Ulta, get the vsco drying lotion, clean my room, and do my summer reading. And so far none of this is working out really well. I went to the mall, couldn't find anything that I liked, and school is in about 2 days. I'm getting my nails done right now, which is why I'm practicing at the nail salon. I haven't eaten also, and it's 3 o'clock, so I need to get myself some lunch. It's just not going well for me, and I look like crap right now. Sorry about that. Oh man, and I'm supposed to upload a video today. Well, this video was supposed to be up today, but I don't think it's gonna be up today, so we'll see. They're all a different color. I decided to get rainbow. Now I'm going to go to Ulta and Chipotle. This is so awkward because there are people outside and they are staring at me through my window. But I just got back from getting my nails done and eating Chipotle. This is what they look like. It's just this like rainbow color. I'll put my inspiration picture on the screen. But I'm just gonna show you guys real quick what I got from the stores that I went to today. So first I went to Pink and I just got the Victoria's Secret Bombshell because I really like how it smells and I wanted a new perfume for the school year. Then I got the Mario Badescu drying lotion. I got this from Ulta, which is $17. I thought it was cheaper than that, but I guess not. Then a while ago, or like, not a while, but a couple of days ago, I went to Lululemon and I just got a few things from there. So I got these gray shorts. It really doesn't look gray, but it's like a grayish purplish color. I don't really know. They're super cute. I love them. And I got something crazy. I got a pink shirt. Like, I would never expect myself to wear something this pink or even pink at all. I think this is the only pink thing I own. But my friends convinced me to buy it, so I did. And the last thing I got were these white shorts. I had a pair of white shorts, but then they got too small, so I got another pair. So right now, I'm filming 2 videos in one, which is kind of weird for me and I don't really understand it, but I'm doing it. So me doing my makeup is for my back to school transformation video. I think that's step 3. I don't know. We're gonna say this is step 4, practicing my makeup. So this is my makeup bag. It's just a Glossier bag filled with stuff. Most of it I don't use, but I have it just in case. And then I have 3 makeup palettes of the James Charles palette, the Modern Renaissance, and the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I think I want to go for like an orangey, glowy, natural look, but who knows how that's gonna turn out. We're gonna start off with my eyebrows. I guess I'm just gonna... I really don't think I have to fill them in, but for the sake of this video, we're going to. So we're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. Maybe we'll do concealer next. So my concealer is the Tarte Tape Shape in the shade Tan Sand. I don't want to do my makeup, but I want to practice so it looks good. I feel like my skin is just not going to be happy with me. I'm going to scoot a little closer so you guys can see what I'm doing a little bit better. Oh, you can barely even see that. But I put concealer on my face and now I'm going to blend it out with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. It's not blending at all. This is not going well. But we're just blending away my problems. So next we're going to do highlight and blush. I have one blush, but I don't really know. I'm using the Tarte blush in Party. I don't even know where you put blush. I look like a cartoon character right now. And I think I'm making it worse. Why did I? Okay, that's okay. No, it's okay. We're gonna use the NYX Born to Glow. If I'm doing anything wrong, please tell me in the comments so I can fix it and not look like a clown. So now I'm gonna use Churro from ColourPop. Highlighter done-ish. You really can't tell on camera right now, but I'll show you guys after once I'm done with everything. Okay, I got something that I kind of like. We're gonna go with that. We're not gonna add any more. Now on to my final step. I'm going to curl my eyelashes, add some mascara. That's not too bad. I think I was just hating on it because I can't really see it on my camera, but I actually don't think it looks that bad. I'll do a close-up with my phone so you can see what it actually looks like. We're gonna add the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow and see if that makes it a little bit prettier. Okay, I'm gonna try to bring the camera closer so you guys can see my makeup, but this is the final product. I think it turned out way better than I thought it was going to.
Why?
Since I didn't get my ear pierced, I might do that within like the next week or so. It's currently Saturday, August 3rd. That is all for my transformation. The most drastic thing really was my hair, and that's why I filmed this video. If you guys want to see my final look, check out my get ready with me for the first day of school. We're also doing a senior sunrise that day, so I'll try to film that and put clips into that video. I honestly don't look that different except for my hair. Teeth are not whitened. I didn't get an ear piercing, and there's a couple other things that I wanted to, but I didn't just because I didn't have time or I didn't have money. So this was my end result. I'm really happy with how my hair turned out, and I liked filming this like transformation type of video. I have a couple other transformations in mind, so maybe I'll film those sometime soon. My camera battery is about to die, so I'm gonna go before it just shuts me off. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!